Well, thank you for watching our podcast again this week. A lot of our time here in the Senate this week has been spent talking about what are the appropriate elements in a new budget plan going forward. Of course, much of the focus has been on the Republican plan that was passed through the House of Representatives, and particularly on the health care programs and how they would fare under that budget plan. The House-passed plan would pretty dramatically reduce the reimbursement that people get under Medicare, the people who are 65 and older primarily, and also under Medicaid. Of course, a lot of these people who are over 65 really do get substantial assistance through Medicaid as well, through nursing homes in particular. I've strongly opposed what is in that budget. I think we need to undoubtedly find savings and ways to reduce the growth in these programs, the growth in the cost of these programs. But in the case of New Mexico, when you look at what might happen, we would lose about 300,000 people, or 340,000 is the estimate, over the next 10 years would be cut off of the Medicaid program under this budget and would then have no health care coverage. And of course, the state would lose about a third of the funds that it is expecting to receive under Medicaid to provide that health care assistance, and that's about $15 billion over the 10 years. This would be devastating to our state budget, and obviously devastating to the people who lost their health care coverage. So we need to find ways to save money in these health care programs, or reduce the cost of health care overall in the country. But I think the block granting of Medicaid and the shifting of Medicare to a voucher type program would be a big mistake. So I hope we can resist that. We did have a vote in the Senate yesterday. I believe there were only 40 senators who voted to support what the House budget would do. And I was glad to see that 57 senators voted against that plan. So that's in my view at least good news. Again, thanks for watching, and we're going to be, I'll be in New Mexico this next week, and so we will do another of these podcasts 2 weeks from now. Thank you very much.